Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to see chapter 13.3 exercise. Okay, here surface area of a right circular cone. Surface area of a right circular cone. Circular cone. Okay. Students, listen. Surface area or curved surface area, that is already I have explained you. This is cone. Okay. R, H, and this is slant height. This is height, this is radius, this is slant height. Okay, L is denoted by slant height. Here, surface area or curved surface area, that is equal to pi r L. Okay, and then one more, total surface area. Total surface area, that is equal to, you should keep in your mind on two formulas here. What is that? First one, surface area, that is equal to pi r L. Surface area or curved surface area, both are same, that is equal to pi r L. Okay, then total surface area. Total surface area, that is equal to pi r of L plus r. How we get it? Listen, this surface area. Okay, surface area, that is equal to pi r L. And total surface area, that means you should find this surface area and area of bottom. Okay, area of bottom, that is looking like circle. So what is the formula? Area of circle, that is pi r square. So pi r L plus pi r squared. So if you take pi r as common, then L plus r. So you have the formula pi r of L plus r. Okay, pi r of L plus r. So there are two important formula. What is that? Surface area, that is equal to pi r L, and total surface area, that is equal to pi r of L plus r. Okay, using these two formulas, we have to do 13.3 exercise. This is very easy exercise. Students, listen. So first question, exercise 13.3, first question. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Okay, first question, listen. Here, this is height, radius, slant height. Okay, we are given with diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. So diameter, that means this one. Okay, diameter. So D, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Therefore R, that is equal to 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Okay, then slant height is 10 centimeter. Slant height, that means L. L, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. This is very easy. So curved surface area or surface area, that is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r L. So here pi, what is the value? 22 by 7 into r, 10.5 divided by 2 into L, 10. Okay, 1 7s are 7, 1 7s are 7, 3 35, 5 7s are 35, so 1.5. Here 1, 11. Okay, so 11 into 1.5, that is 11 into 1.5 into 10. So here I have written, listen, 11 into 1.5 into 10, that is 15. Okay, so at last 11 into 15, that is equal to 165 centimeter square. Answer is 165 centimeter square. Is it clear? Okay, then second question. Second question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. So we have to find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone, what is the formula? Pi r of L plus r. Already you have known it. Listen. Now, its slant height first. Okay, slant height 21 meter and diameter of its base, diameter. Okay, diameter of its base, that is 24 meter. So here this is H, this is L. So L equal to 21 meter. Okay, then H equal to, we don't know. Then D equal to 24 meter. Therefore R equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12 meter. Okay, so R equal to 12 meter. Is it clear? Okay, now find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area, that means what is the formula? Total surface area, that is equal to pi r of L plus R. Okay, so that is equal to 22 by 7 into what is R? 12. So 12 into L, 21, 21 plus 12, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 12 into 21 plus 12, that is 33. Okay, then if you multiply these numbers, then you can get 8712 divided by 7. At last, divided 8712, 7, 1 7 7, 1 17, 2 14, 3 1. Okay, then 4 28, 3 2 4 28. So at last you have 1244.57 meters square. Is it clear? Good. Then listen students, next third question. Curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find, here there are two subdivisions, radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Okay, listen students, curved surface area of a cone is 308. Curved surface area, that means surface area that is equal to 308 centimeter square. Okay, and then slant height, that means L, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, here first we have to find radius of the base. So radius, that means R, that is equal to what? Okay, students listen, already I have taught you. This is slant height, this is height, this is radius. Okay, so we have to find the radius. Surface area, that means what is the formula? Pi r L, that is equal to 308. Okay, from this formula, using this formula, we just put the values. 22 by 7 into r into L equal to 14. So that is equal to 308. Okay, from this we have to find the value of r. Okay, so here 1 7 7 2, so 22 into 2 44. So 44 into r, that is equal to 308. R, that is equal to 308 divided by 44. If you cancel it, r equal to 22 here, 15 4 1 1 here, 7 7 1 7 1 11 7 7 7 7 11 77. So r equal to 7 centimeter. R equal to 7 centimeter. First option. So then second subdivision, total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone, that means what is the formula? Pi r of L plus R. Okay, so pi 22 by 7 into r 7. Okay, L plus R, that means what is L here? 14. 14 plus 7. Okay, so listen. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 14 plus 7, that is 21. Okay, it gets cancelled. Then 22 into 21, that is equal to 462 centimeter square. Is it clear, students?